Hello everyone, welcome to BBWFM Hub. Today I'm going to teach you how to determine staffing requirement using our capacity and workload method. So let's start. So here I have put all the things that is required to calculate our net required staff. So firstly, um, this is the forecasted calls that we have. We also have SLA because in any campaign we have some KPIs. So this is the KPI. So forecasted calls is here. I'm taking 5,000 calls. And AHT we are taking here as 300 seconds. Then FTE for net standard working hours, it's 9 hours. And for net FTE, that means I have deducted my 1 hour of break from the FTE, and then it comes to net FTE, which is 8 hours. So working days here I'm taking 5 days in a week. So these are my requirements that I will use to create to calculate the staffing. So first of all, let's calculate our working hours. So for working hours, I have multiplied my net FTE with working days and multiplied by 3600 seconds because these things are in hours, and I have converted this hours into seconds. That's why I have multiplied this by 3600 seconds. So here it comes 1,44,000 working hours in a week. And for call capacity, I have divided my working hours with HT because working hours is what? Working hours is this much hours, this many hours is required. This many hours is my working hours. This many hours are like TMs is giving me in a week. And for HT, this is the time that an agent will take to handle the call. So for call capacity, I'm dividing my working hours with my HT. So here it comes 480. And then for net required staff, I have divided my call capacity, sorry, forecasted calls with my call capacity. So this is my net required staff. For occupancy, I did reverse calculation of these things. So here we go. First of all, to project our occupancy, I multiply my forecasted calls with AHT and then divide it by my working hours into net required staff. So that's how my occupancy is coming 100%. So this is my capacity based staffing requirement. Let's move to workload based. So here requirements are same. Let's start with our working hours. Here my working hours is 8 into 5 net FTE into working days, that is 40. And then for workload, here I am calculating my workload with forecasted calls into HT and then divided by 3600 seconds because this is in seconds and I've converted the seconds into hours, so that's why I have divided this by 3600 seconds. And this is my workload. And for net required staff, I have divided my workload with my working hours. So here workload is what? Workload is number of hours available, like number of hours coming, work is coming. This is the hours for how long our work will come or how long our work will take time. And working hours is like my agent has 40 hours in a week. My agent is working 40 hours in a week. So I have divided this to calculate my net required staff. So it comes 10. And then for occupancy, same, we did the reverse calculation with the workloads divided by working hours into net required staff. So it's also coming 100%. So as we have seen that in both the cases, our occupancy is coming 100%. But to achieve our SLA, this SLA 80/20, it's not possible to have to put 100% occupancy to and to achieve this much of SLA, because our service time is 20 seconds and our AHT is 300 seconds. That means AHT is more than our service time. And it's not possible that all the TMs or all the calls can only take or completed in 20 seconds. So that means we are not able to achieve our SLA in a given threshold time. Um, and we with that this calculation, so we need to put some occupancy, as in we need to input occupancy in this calculation to complete our to calculate our new requirements. With that requirement we can achieve our SLAs. So for occupancy calculation we have two methods, that is with simulations and with model occupancy, and we will learn those methods in our next video. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.